Welcome to my channel once again. This is Michael Consult. I said it yesterday that I'm going to be dropping the new update, and the one I think I'm very sure of that is going to bring to USDT, and we're all going to make something good out of it if we are consistent on this. And one thing good about this project is we are very much early on this. Just 5 or 6 days ago, this project started, and we are good to go on it. And this project is more like a core. They have the same mechanism, the same processing, the same hash rate, and everything about them is actually similar. So that's why I just said. And if we remember, uh, core actually listed at around $4. So those that actually mine and are early on it know how much they make on it. So that's why I'm actually bringing it to us so that we can also be early and be part of the uh, project. And by the time we're going to be listening, we'll have something good to take home at the end of it. So, one thing about it is that there's a bit of a challenge in the processing. That's why I'm actually saying that I want to make a video on it as soon as possible, because actually it has been up to 2 or 3 days now that I've been trying to battle with the registration, but I've been able to come up with some options that we can make use of. So that will actually, so I'll take us through how to uh, register on it. So now the thing is this: the name of the project is called Gidochain. Gidochain is what the name of the project is, and they actually trying to create their own blockchain. So without taking much of our time, let me take us through it. So you copy the link, you copy the link, then you go to your browser. So I'm going to be using my Mrs. browser. So I'll paste the link, then run it. So this is it. Now here you can see here is asking you to sign up, to log in. This is what it's saying here. It says you should input your email and log in. But here you're going to click on sign up. You click on this. You click on this, sign up. So I'll click on sign up now. So now you put your full name, your email address. Please watch very well. Your email, look at it here, your full name, email, the username you want to use, the password, then you confirm the password, then the invite code, so which you want to use. So that is it. Then you click on sign up. So then you can see what I'm saying. Your full name, email address, username, password, confirm the password, the invite code, then you click on sign up. So I'll do that now, then we'll continue. So this is it. Immediately you complete the registration, you put the invite code and you submit. Then they are going to send the code to your email. Then you go there and copy the code, then you. So this is it. You can see it here. This is the invite code. So I'll click on it to copy it. Then I'll paste it here. Sorry, I think it doesn't allow paste, so I need to write it out. So it's a 584409 584409. Then submit. So now you have successfully logged in with this. So now, how do we register? How do we start mining? How do we proceed and improve the maximize our mining point? Now the thing is this: as it is now, we are already mining. That is it. Look at it here. Let's look at this. Sorry, please. Okay. So look at this. We're having, that's the first one. So we'll be having 12 of it. Look at it here. It says 1 out of 12. So we have another one here, making 2. Another one will be here, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. When it's complete 12, the mining will stop. That means each of them stand for 1 hour. So at 1 hour, another one will start, this one will stop, another one will start until it's 12. When it's 12, they need to stop, waiting for you to claim. When you claim, they need to start again. That is it. So that is that for this on how to mine it. Now another thing is this on how to maximize our point. You know, I mentioned something about this hash. You look at it here. This is the hash. Look at it here. This is the hash. So now you come to this place. Where is it here? Sorry. It's not coming up. Okay, hold on, please. So all right. Sorry about that. These icons are not displaying, that is why. So I have to log out and log in again. So these icons, they have to display for us to see. Sorry. So these icons, this is where we need to use to navigate around. So this one is the dashboard. There's the first one, which is the dashboard. You see how the mining is going. You see how the mining is going. Now the second one, which is the progress, that's where I would need to explain to us. Now you know I mentioned something about hash rate. Now you need to copy the, you have 3 hash rate. This is 1, this is it, this is 1, sorry, this is 1, 2, 3. So you need to copy this hash rate and paste it, give it to someone else to use, while you to use someone else. Now if you want to use someone else one, you copy the hash code, then you paste it here, then you go to use. So now let me take us to how this hash rate works. Look at it here. I said this is it. If you have 0, look at it here. Sorry. Look at what it wrote here. So if you have 0 to 4, let me do 0 to 4 active referrals. So if you use each of these hash rate, you'll be getting 0.01% per use. So anytime you add anytime you use the hash code, 0.01% will be added for you to your mining rate. If you have between 5 and 9 active referrals, you'll be using 0.02 hash. So anytime you use a hash code, you'll be getting 0.02. If it is 0 to 4, you'll be getting 0.01 anytime you add the hash code. Then if you have 10 to 19, you'll be getting 0.04 per use. 20 plus active referral, 0.05 per use. So what this means that if you have 0 to 4 referrals, if you maybe you didn't invite anybody, or you have between 0 and 4 active referral, that means anytime you use this hash code, you'll be getting 0.01%. That means 0.01 will be increasing, will be added to your hash rate, your mining rate. That's what it means. So now that is that about that. So another thing that we need to focus on is this. You see, let's go to this airdrop. Look at this airdrop here. So that the video is a bit long, I just want to take us through. So you come to this airdrop. Now this is where you need to, if you want to invite people, you can see you copy your invite link here. This is it. They copy, they share with your friends. Now just as it is here, you have told you that this is 12. You can see the roof 12. One is mining. Now in the next 51 minutes, this will be on. Then will continue. It will continue again until it's 12. Then you claim. You see a claim button down here under the something of this color. You just claim it, then it will start all over again after 12 hours. So every 12 hours you have to claim it. So that is there for it. Then here what you need to focus on. Okay, let me see this channel. So another thing is this. You need to come to this wallet. Then you create wallet. You make sure you create wallet and you save your seed phrase. That is. So let's go back to this progress. Now after this is what you need to be looking at. Sorry, let me see it. It's not here. Okay, let's go to I think it's under the dashboard. So this is where we'll be looking at. You see this eligible is what we are looking at. So let's go back to this progress. So you see, look at it here. My airdrop eligibility is 0.0 and I'm coming to 100. 100 is what we are targeting. So now that's where this need to comes in. For us to be eligible, you need to have at least you need to be let me say using this hash code at least 3 times a day. Let me say you are using the hash code so that you can meet up with this, because you are going to 100. And you can see I'm at 0 now just because I'm just starting to, so I'm at 0. So now I need to be using this hash code at least maybe like a, let me see, as much as possible, minimum of a, let me see, maybe 100 in a day, because I can use as many as possible. Yes. And also, this is my own three. I need to give these three out for people to use. So and one good about it, that you remember that on Satoshi, you can only use one code. One person can only use one code, but here anybody can use as many as possible, can use your code, your hash code. Just the same, you too can. You, the only difference is that you cannot use your own hash code. That is it. So everybody can use it. So now, if you put in hash code, anybody can use it. So that's just it. So now what you do that you can just, so what I'm just trying to say that maybe I will try and see and create a group where we'll be sharing this hash code, just majorly for this hash code, because that's the only way we can grow. That's where, so the only way I think we can grow is that we are sharing this hash code within ourselves. Then, so you drop your own, I'll drop my own, then we can all use it together. The only thing I know that anybody that drop his hash code, I will make use of it. I will know that the one I only drop, I will not use it because I know it's my own. So that's just a difference. So that hash code, we'll try to create a WhatsApp group for example that anybody, we can all make use of it, because that's the only way I believe we can earn more points from this project. So that's really about it. So far that's all we think about it for now, because I will have dropped it before now, but registration has been kind of difficult. But I think that they've actually adjust on made some modification on it, because since for the 2 days we are unable to register on it, and it's a new project. They are still trying to fix one or two things on the app. So now to download the application, I'll drop the app for us to download if you want to make use of the app. So, and if you want to make use of the web, you can only make use of it anyone that I think that suits you. So for now, that's the update we're having on it. So if more update is coming, I'll then bring it to us. And for now, this app is still new. They don't have a Twitter account or Telegram or any sort of. For now, this is majorly only for this application they are running on the web. So if the more update is coming, I'll bring it to us. Thank you.